Hi, EcoTree. Nikolaj Coster-Waldau here. You can't have too many trees, I think. Trees and our forests are vital. We are now understanding that, and we are, in some places of the world, trying to reverse the trend of cutting down forests and instead transforming what is now agricultural land into forests, and you are an essential part of that. I was very lucky to meet you guys on Oro in Denmark, where you are doing just that. I can't wait. I have a little summer house, half a mile down the road. I can't wait to be walking in that forest over the next 20, 30, 40 years. Thank you so much. Keep up the good work. It's needed, not just for us, but also for our future generations. So, good work.